If you want to enable or disable JavaScript in Google Chrome, this quick guide will walk you through the exact steps. JavaScript is what makes many websites interactive, so knowing where to turn it on or off can be really useful for troubleshooting, testing, or improving your browsing experience. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots menu. This opens the main Chrome menu where you'll find all the browser settings and tools you need. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you to the Chrome settings page. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of categories. Find and click Privacy and Security. This section controls important website permissions and browser behavior, so it's the area we need for JavaScript settings. Next, click Site Settings. This page lets you manage what websites are allowed to do in Chrome, including access to things like your camera, microphone, pop-ups, and JavaScript. Now scroll down until you find the Content section. Under that section, click JavaScript. Now you're on the JavaScript settings page. This is where you can choose whether websites are allowed to run JavaScript or not. If you want JavaScript enabled, select Sites can use JavaScript. This is the normal setting for most users, and it allows websites to load properly, use buttons, menus, animations, and other interactive features. If you want to disable JavaScript, select Don't allow sites to use JavaScript. Once you choose this option, Chrome will block JavaScript on websites. That can be useful if you're testing a site, trying to reduce certain types of scripts, or troubleshooting a web page that may be loading incorrectly. Keep in mind that turning JavaScript off can cause some websites to break or not work as expected, since many modern sites depend on it. So if something looks strange after disabling it, you can always come back to this same menu and turn it back on again by selecting Sites can use JavaScript, and that's it. You now know how to enable and disable JavaScript in Google Chrome in just a few simple clicks. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Chrome and browser tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.